Hello, and a very good evening to everyone from all of us here at Prasanna School of Public Health. We're excited to welcome you all. The third virtual lecture of the Professor Rajani Prasanna Endowment Lecture Series on Climate Change and its Impact on Public Health. Before we begin, we wish to wholeheartedly thank Professor Rajani Prasanna for considering us for the endowment, enabling us to connect with eminent researchers from across the globe to deliberate and brainstorm on the impacts of climate change on various aspects of public health. We are grateful to our chief patron, Sri D. Prasanna sir, for steering us towards new endeavors that will enable us to get more knowledge. We would like to thank the whole Mahi community for all the support. This virtual meeting this evening is about brainstorming and trying to explore this concept of climate change in our world of changing realities.